angry.
Shut up.
She is very angry.
Very angry.
Like Manny Pacquiao
We're
said.
in Minnesota this week. Silence. I loot you.
Balut.
Silence.
I can make Dawn silent by feeding him balut.
Should you eat balut?
Even the chick part. Very good. Amazing. Yeah.
Oh.
Even the chick part. Yep. Yo. Well, ask Marky, do you eat balut?
Of course I eat balut. Come on.
Even the chicken part, the chick part.
Yeah.
Okay, good.
All right, let me
Dawn.
ask you this. Mark, do you eat camelot?
Ew. No.
You eat
Oh my
what?
god. Tamilok. Tamilok. The worms from the tree.
Oh, that's pretty good.
Oh,
Oh my gosh. I don't know you. Who are you?
I eat you.
I, I kill you.
What about
I dip
E-tag?
you in the vinegar. Hey, Dawn, I thought you were gonna eat balut with me. No, not yet. Still wondering.
What about E-tag?
Dawn
Anyone
said
eat
his
E-tag?
E-tag. What's that?
It's like ham that gets buried in the ground.
Oh, that's a cardizzy. It is a chopper.
Get to the chopper.
Sorry. A ham buried in the ground?
Yep.
Is it good? Like, seriously good? You're not gonna
No,
like...
they leave it in the ground until it starts going rotten.
Oh.
Do you eat salagubang?
Google it.
Do you eat E-tag? How is it spelled? Oh my!
E-T.
Yeah, I think that's one way of playing this game. Google. Let's see. Google. Google.com.
You eat salagubang?
No, I don't even know that that's edible.
Oh man. Adobo.
E-tag
Pretty
food?
good.
Is it a Filipino dish, Dawn? It is.
Yep.
How do I not know this?
I should never go out.
I kill you.
I will educate you on your country, don't worry.
I know, right? Man.
Well, if you plan on educating me about my country, you have to eat balut. Alright?
No, educate you, not die.
You tried isaw before?
Me? Of course.
Not you, Don.
Oh,
What, E-tag?
Dawn. I have a
Isaw.
BSS here.
Intestine.
Marked a
Yes, sir.
location.
Accused.
Silence. I kill you.
Tess, do you eat balut?
I'm a very good terrorist.
You should watch that again.
Silence.
Oh. Shut up.
Kill me. You silence.
Do you eat balut? What else? Don, would you eat, you know, the grilled? No way. What do you mean, no way? Would you
No,
eat
I don't want dirty
chicken
ice cream.
no. Oh. Oh man, that's good.
You can order, Sid. I'll send you the Facebook later. They're gonna give you a tab. You know. Yeah, later I'll send it to you. They
I feed
they
you.
will deliver it to you
I kill you.
with arnibal and
Sago.
sagu. I just ordered last week. No.
No. I kill you.
No.
I kill you. How about ube pandesal, bro? Hey. Bomb, bro. Yeah, I'll send you
Ice
later.
crumble.
I will send you. I gotta get that when I go home.
Vilma is going to get a haircut. Oh, that's done flying. Okay. I was about to shoot. Fob, I might have a DP
I got
for you.
supplies.
Yeah.
I got one in me. You want it? Sir?
Hey! Why are you all leaving us? Oh my gosh. Okay, Vilma, it's over here. I marked it somewhere. It's over
Marked
here.
a location.
There, it's up top. Don left us. Don! I kill you! Because we were talking about Balut and he hates it. He just left. No, I'm running a bison.
Save it for me if no one wants it.
Oh man! Oh
Wait.
wait,
Where you fall?
that's your second
Did you fall?
knock. No! We have to... Oh no. Where are you? Damn it. That's your second knock. You're gonna die faster. Can't be knocked before. Yeah. You can't be knocked. Oh man. Oh man. No. Take care, Vilma.
Where was
Bye,
Bill going?
Vilma.
Bye, Vilma.
I got supplies.
Don't get
look
knocked
on-
again, okay, Fob? Because if you get knocked, this is looted, though. Who looted this? Not really, but you're gonna die really, really quick.
Who's the helicopter? Oh. Okay, there's a lot of bullets here. Oh, what the hell? See, there's a lot of sevens here.
I got supplies.
For your DP?
Well, what's new?
I kill you.
I kill you. I kill you. Send it. I kill you.
I need the M3 thingy. The one that has this homing...
What's the M3 thingy?
What's this thing?
Yeah, the other RPG.
M3.
The other RPG.
Do you have the M3 thingy?
Shut up. The one that
You
you,
silence.
when you scope,
Silence. I kill you.
it's gonna... Oh, man. Where's Dawn? Yeah, it's gonna lock on the target. Like, this one doesn't really lock on the target.
See,
Oh, I missed. Damn it. I kill you.
silence.
Oh, Fob, you might want to go get that drop. It's opening in 5 seconds behind us. Oh, it's open. Yeah, it's open. Yeah, where the green is. There we go. Yes.
You need to go down or what?
No!
Oh, shit, Don!
No!
No!
Let's go pick up
Someone
Dawn.
booby
No,
trapped.
we can,
Nope. Revive him.
yeah.
I kill you.
There's a lot. Oh, there's a Groza here. Okay, let's
They
go, Dawn.
kill-
Let's go.
Don, they kill you, Don. Don, they kill you.
We're gonna save him. Quick, quick, quick. His ID.
Quick, quick.
Quick, quick. Oh man, he's so far. That's 2,000
Don, why you
meters
kill me?
away.
Why they kill you, Don?
Because he's far and he's alone. Because that's Don. He's looking for Balut. Because he said, finally I am going to try Balut.
Really, Don?
Yes. He's not answering. Can you keep
Oh,
going?
he's-
Balut. You try E-tag.
Sure, why not? Deal?
Deal.
Oh man. Quick, quick, quick. Oh no.
Do you have a missile?
I do, but I lost them. Quick. Did you get him? Okay, let's go.
I don't know where's the
Let's go,
ID.
let's go.
I didn't see his
You
ID.
got it. You got it. You got it. We're gonna get shot. Quick.
Oh man, he took the helicopter as well. It's rude.
Just find a tower where we can revive him. Keep going to the tower.
Right there.
Marked a location.
Damn, you got the helicopter.
Oh, shit. Job. Is he
In
dead
front of
or
us.
is he just down?
No, the two. I got one knock.
You
And
want me
then
to go all
two
the way
drop.
to
Yes.
recall for
Pick up
teammate?
Don now.
He's shooting at me, shooting at me, shooting at me.
Who's shooting at you? Who's shooting at you? Who's shooting at you?
Nice, nice save.
Wow. Surprised you guys got me.
Dead. Sucker. How dare you kill Don like that? Sucker. There's an M3 thingy here.
M3 thingy. I don't know what's
I'll save
M3
it for me. I
thingy,
definitely
but
need some weapons.
Yeah, there's a lot of bodies here. You'll be okay.
silence. I kill you.
Oh, there's a guy in front of us. Wait, wait. Don't move. There's another body here.
Marked an enemy's
The
death crate.
helicopter, yeah?
Let the body hit the floor. Let the bodies.
Where? Oh, that's far. Okay, Dawn, not again. They landed.
Where?
I need nines.
You did what?
Nine.
The red thingy. Wait, I have a player. Can I put a player here? Oh, we're gonna die.
Here in the middle of the nowhere. Here? I mean, we can, but there's no guarantee that we will leave. Well, he has a flare. Well, he has a... Sorry. I think you can. We can be safe here if you go in enough. Yeah. Oh wow. The heck? There's
Marked a
people there
Keep
location.
your flag
behind
before the
us.
flag
Yep,
goes.
on my mark.
Where?
No. Wait.
There's people there?
Yeah.
Where?
Marked a location.
170. I can't lock on that one. It's too far. It's a vehicle.
Get to the chopper!
Kill them.
Are you gonna get that? Wait. Pick me up. I have a. Oh no. Okay, you guys get it. That. No, that's not that. You silly ass. That's my teammate. No. No. There's a car here. Look.
Marked a location. Marked a location.
G. What's in G? Hi.
Hi, G.
It's hi.
So your
He's
name
trying to
is
say
Gina?
hi. Oh wow, it landed. I'm gonna kill it. What?
I feel you.
No!
Oh, kill
You
them.
haven't stopped it? No, we gotta go get him.
There's a car here.
We get you. What? Go get it. Go get
Well,
it.
that wasn't very
Is
smart of
that
them,
an
was
I know.
RPG? Yes,
I
it's
lost
an
it.
RPG. Yes, he picked it up. Yeah, 700.
it? Should be a helicopter
Damn
just
it,
below
it's
that hill
out.
where you are, Bob.
Oh man, it's out. It's mansion, but it's doable.
Yeah, there it is.
Oh, that other tower is used. We have to do this one.
Do you have it?
Marked
Pick
a
them two
There.
up
location.
so that they're not in the zone.
Like
Marked a
700.
Yeah, it's okay.
You have time. You have time. You have 2 minutes.
It's okay. Go, go, go. No, don't pick me up. You don't have to pick me up. Oh man, he's gonna blow up. And then we can probably take Don here to his body. Oh man.
Oh shit. They're right here.
Marked a location.
Can you
They
still
went to
pick
the
up
house?
Marked a
Don?
location.
Yeah.
Yeah, he's got me. He's got me.
Okay. Oh no, I don't know what to do here now. Do you guys need pick up?
They're in the
Marky, do you
houses.
still have
Okay,
the car?
be careful. I don't have the car.
Oh man.
Hey, come back,
We
Bob.
have it
Where you going?
Oh, I'm getting shot.
Yeah, of course I'm here.
That's an
You can follow me.
AWM.
That's me with the AWM. Knock.
Nice. Nearly 3 hours of PUBG. I did 4. Okay. Oh, they're safe. Let's go.
Marked a
Marky,
location.
you can loot
They're right
first. We have 30 seconds. Where's your buddy? I dare Marky.
Marked a location.
There's 2 here. Okay, there's 2 there.
Okay, well, we
He's,
have to go
he's
though.
reviving the guy. I know, but I'm covering for you guys.
I can give you one here.
He's right there.
Marked a location.
Where is he? What? Where is he?
They're both. Let's go. Let's go. We just need to move. Just
They're
we're
running?
in the
Are they
zone.
running?
Yeah, yeah. They're running. They're running.
Oh my
I'm
gosh.
repairing. I'm repairing.
freaking fell.
Watch
I
in.
repair the car. I repair it.
Oh man.
Come,
Sorry,
quick.
sorry. I'm coming. I freaking fell. I need to. Oh no, I'm
Ooh.
sorry. What? Don, you gotta switch. You gotta let them drive.
I got it. Nah,
What
don't
did
got
I
it.
say? I get Marky. If you do snipe someone out of a helicopter with crew, I'll. Whoa! That one doesn't have the thingy. Yeah, the ice. Oh man. They. Oh man.
Oh my god, we gotta die.
This is so hard to watch.
I gotta.
Bob, you
I
need
gotta.
to heal.
Oh man.
There's a guard in front of you. There's a guard in front of you, Marky.
Yeah, like far.
It's okay. You don't have to revive us. But that's the last tower. I don't know. I think he used the RPG without the locking thingy, whatever that is.
The lock in thingy.
Yeah, I know. Sorry.
Should you drive or I drive? I think you drive. Good idea, Sid. Good idea, Sid.
Revives
Power?
Poggers. Tell Marky. Marky, Data wants you to snipe someone
We already did.
from the helicopter
But we didn't
with an
drive.
AWM. From the helicopter with an AWM. Oh man, we're gonna be naked here. We got nothing. No, it's okay. We might. I'm pretty sure there's a lot of body over.
Whoa.
Whoa.
You just came from heaven.
No, I'm at hell spawn.
Malas naman ng langit. Nagulog ng... Hulog ka ba ng
man.
langit? I can give you... Do you have a gun, Shin?
Nope.
Here,
I got
take this.
supplies.
Thank you. Okay. That's enough.
I got
Run,
You have
I'm
stuff?
gonna need it.
Why are you dropping everything?
Well, I have, what's it called? AW.
Good night, Keegan.
6 a.m. is too early.
He hasn't slept yet.
Oh. Okay, relax, chill. You know.
I'm sorry. Oh no, I lost my scope. I lost everything. I lost my...
I gave you 3
no.
times.
Oh yeah, you did. It's okay. Or probably, if you guys kill anyone, we'll be alright.
Dang. Tony's already all the way over there. I didn't even know.
I know, right?
Oh, like, where is
He's so quick on his feet. Oh man.
Oh, they're gonna be in the
Pretty
side.
close to the circle, but I need
They're
a
gonna
helmet.
They're gonna be in the side. I'm gonna be Snake, okay? Because I have
Oh,
Woo,
there
Snake
they
right
are.
now.
They're fighting.
Marked a vehicle.
No, let's not run him over.
I was going to run Mark over.
I don't have a gun. Said
No,
there's the only
don't
gun I
run
have.
him over. You're gonna knock him. You can hurt. You can hurt your squad here. I don't know where the shots were.
Over here.
Marked a location.
There's a
Marked a
Where-
location.
UAZ here. Oh, there's a helicopter?
There is. Oh
I hear a
man.
helicopter? I don't know. I can just hear it.
Yeah, I hear it now.
Oh, it's right there. Oh, they're going down here. They're going down here.
They went down.
They kill you!
Whoa, nice.
There's two more. There's two more. One went
Marked a
here.
location.
In front of us. Knocked one. Nice.
There's
Marked a
one right here.
location.
There's one in the top.
Marked a location.
Nice. Damn. How good. 3 kills. Good games today, huh? This one is good, but where was he? The window?
Yeah, right there.
Marked a location.
Okay. No.
I kill you.